I'm sure you've had to pull one of these out of a tire before. It happens. Let's go over some best practices for repairing a tire puncture. A nail or screw in a tire is an easy puncture to spot. Many times it's a slow leak that requires a tire patch. Other times the puncture can come from debris deep in the grooves of the tire, making it hard to spot. Or a puncture can look more like this. I wouldn't call that a puncture, I'd call that an explosion. If a driver complains of a rapid decrease in tire pressure after inflating their tires, it's time to put your puncture police hat on. First, ask them if they've seen anything irregular on the tire tread or sidewall. Like I mentioned earlier, this could include debris in the tire or cracking along the sidewall. When you take the tire off the vehicle, you must remove the tire from the wheel assembly to assess any damage that could be present. Note that repairs are only limited to the tire tread area. Damage to a tire's sidewall will compromise its structural integrity, and your shop should not attempt to repair it. In this case, the tire should be taken out of service. According to USTMA guidelines, a puncture cannot be greater than 1/4 of an inch in diameter. The organization also advises to not make a repair where the puncture damage extends into the shoulder or belt edge area. Once you assess the tire and determine that it can be repaired, a rubber stem or plug must be applied to fill the puncture. A patch must then be applied to the inner liner. A one-piece combination unit is commonly used in these repairs. A plug itself or a patch itself is an unacceptable repair. Remember, not all tires can be repaired. Specific repair limits should be based on the recommendations or repair policy of the manufacturer or type of service. I'm Maddie Winer, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Studio at Babcox Media. Thanks for watching.